Aloha guys, Chef Ippy here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to cut a pineapple. Okay, let's begin. First thing we're going to do in cutting the pineapple is remove the top by grabbing and twisting. Then we're going to cut a base to work from, as well as a top. Okay, so I can sit down just like that. Now this is where we're actually going to peel, just using the front quarter of your knife. So not using any of this back part, but just this front quarter. We're going to start by slowly working your way down and around the edge. Okay, so once you have your first cut, try not to waste pineapple here if you can, but once you have this first cut, then we go from there. Now we're going to be able to work our way around. But again, what I said, just using the front quarter of your knife. The reason we're not using this back part is you don't have as much, you're going to lose a lot more of this pineapple if you use the back part. So just using the front, you're going to just slowly go around following the contour of the actual pineapple, okay? Now we try to get these, we're trying to get these little, these things off because this can actually make, kind of make your tongue tingle for some people, but try to get those off because they're just unpleasant to begin with. Now you have a peeled pineapple. Now what you're going to do is you're going to see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see the center there? See? Maybe it's easier to see on this side. See the center here? Center here? We're going to cut right on, just on each side of it. 1, 2, okay? What that's going to do is that's going to kind of cut the core. See, there's still a little here, but it's still edible, that part. This middle part's not edible. It's really, really tough. I mean, you could eat it, but it's really tough. So I usually go like that and like that to just take this kind of core piece out. Go through and cut off any little brown pieces like that, extra little stuff that you have. I don't really get too crazy with this. I don't mind that much, you know, but, and what I tend to do is I'll make cuts. And I'll cut right across the center here. Okay, so then when you take it, you put it on your plate, you're able to push down and kind of do this, you know? Make it a little more fancy looking. Oh, pineapple overboard.